Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back again with another video. This time it's walk around on my bike. It's 2007 Honda VTX 1300C, all custom. It has white walls on it, 14-inch ape hangers. I put on these driving lights or accessory lights, light bar with the built-in signals, spoke wheels, has a crash bar on it, a couple of chrome pieces, Vance and Hines pipes, chrome adjustable shocks, Mustang seat with the backrest. It's just light modification, nothing too serious. The bike runs good. Had it for about 2 years now, and I got 50,000 miles on it, believe it or not. Here, I'll turn the key. You can check out the odometer. Actually, it's I don't know if you guys can see that. It's 51,283, but the bike runs excellent. No problems at all. Yeah, I'll start it up. Give it a nice little rumble. The bars handlebars are internally wired. And that's about it. This time I'm showing y'all that I converted my Honda VTX 1300 into a bagger. I got the kit from Backyard Air Suspension out of Florida, and it came out pretty good. You know, I still have to get it painted. I got a fairing coming, and I'll put that on when it gets here. I got the you can see I changed the headlight. I got the Daymaker headlight installed, and maybe in another video, if anyone's interested, I'll show how I installed the kit. But that's it. I have the front fairing installed, and that'll pretty much complete my bagger look. The next thing I have to do is get it painted. I have to find a painter, but overall I think it came out pretty good.